Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Winnie the Pooh. So let's get started. To draw this cute Pooh Bear, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. So not too big. So now with this circle in, I'm going to come across nice and wide. So let's say about right here. Give myself a point because I need to draw a nose in between. So right about here, I'm going to draw another circle. There. And now that my two circles in, I'm going to come right here on this corner and draw another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There, so now my eyes in, I'm going to go ahead and come in between the eyes and draw the nose. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a soft curve. And I'm going to round off the corners. And I'm going to connect it towards the center with a rounded V. There. And then I'm going to come right back up here and draw an oval for a highlight and shade everything else in. There. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go ahead and draw the big smile for Pooh Bear. So right underneath this eye, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve. And same thing here, right underneath the eye. And just start with a curve. And then in between this curve, we're going to draw a smile. So right about here in the center, go ahead and we're going to come down nice and deep towards the center, and then we're going to go right back up. There. So cute, right? I'm a little biased towards Pooh Bear. I love Pooh Bear because my name kind of sounds like his name, right? Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and right underneath this smile, I'm just going to lightly draw a curve. And then over this nose, I'm going to once again very lightly draw another curve. Try my best to lightly draw a curve right there. And then underneath the eye as well. And here. And now that we have that done, let's go ahead and we're going to come above the eye. So about right here, nice and high. And I'm just going to draw a curve coming down for the brow. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. Just draw it coming down and you can thicken up a little bit. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and start his head shape. So I'm going to come to the bottom of my eye and come out, say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And same thing here, bottom of my eye, and just like the other side, about right here. I'm going to give myself a point, and then from there I'm going to angle up. And same thing here. And we're going to go ahead and draw a curve for the top of Pooh Bear's head. So I'll bring it up, round it off about right here. About here's the center, and then I'm going to bring it down. There. Okay, so now that we have that shape in, then we can come right back here and we're going to pop out the cheeks. Right here. And so let's go ahead and bring this down more, round it off more, bring it in. And let's see here. Then about there, I'm going to kind of find my center. I'm going to come down, find my center, come down a little bit. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw this curve and then bring it down to this point. So same thing here, go up and curve back. So this is kind of like this neckline for his little top that he wears. If you're not comfortable drawing this shape right here, you can just go ahead and finish off his head curve and just put a line right there. But I think I want to change it up this year and just make it a point like that so that when we draw his collar, it looks a little bit more like the original. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the ears about right here. I'm going to go ahead and pop out these cute bear ears and bring it in. And then same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point across and just curve right back. There. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and draw his little top. So right about here, underneath this eye, I'm going to go ahead and round this part off and then bring it in, following that curve I created. And same thing here, right underneath the eye. And we're just going to curve up and connect. There. And then let's see here. We can bring it to a point. And then we're going to come in a little bit right about here and here, and then let's go ahead and draw a curve for his tummy and chest area. So I'm going to bring this down. Everything is nice and round. And let's see, I have that. Let's bring it in. And connect it at the bottom, so about right here. So nice round tummy. And then we're going to come about right here and draw a curve going all the way across for his top. And then for his legs, let's come down to the center about right here. And then we're going to go to the left, go to the right, and right here we're going to draw a slight curve coming down both sides. About right there, short little legs. And then we're going to come in here and draw a curve. And then about right there, we're going to pop out a foot and connect. So same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw the arms. So I'm going to come back here and just draw a sleeve, following the curve, bring it in, and then continue his arms down to about right here. Just going to draw a curve nice and round and bring it in. And then if you like, you can add a curve right here for some detail. So same thing on the other side. Just going to drag this across, so I'm approximately the same on the other side. And once again, same thing. There. Okay, and then from there, just going to draw a little detail right here, a little curve. And of course, we need to put a big heart right here on Pooh Bear's shirt. And I'm not sure if that's a belly button or not, but I'm going to put one right here in case he does. If not, I'll erase it. But that is pretty much it for my new version of Winnie the Pooh. I really hope you love how he turned out. I hope to draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.